Nexo truly is expected to arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of $284 constantly 2025. Long-haul examination recommends that Nexo cost might actually flood to $1,265 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $1,208 and $1,372, which in every practical sense is very critical. Experts project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $1,698 mark, which generally is genuinely huge. The negative cost expectation for Nexo in 2040 in every practical sense is $892, with an extremely possible high of $1,059, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Continuous information shows Nexo in a real sense is exchanging at $116, which generally is genuinely huge. Starting around 22 February 2024, Nexo explicitly is exchanging at $116 in terms of its worst rate, with the value change of 0.4% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense shows that ongoing information shows Nexo generally is exchanging at $116 in an all things considered enormous way. Nexo essentially has a kind of all-out market cap of $647,385,175 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,730,159, which most certainly is genuinely critical. This truly makes Nexo truly positioning at 108 in the digital currency market, which truly is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Nexo sort of be certainly worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Nexo an excellent venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Nexo cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high as opposed to mainstream thinking? These essentially are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in a huge manner. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Nexo cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially cross a really normal value level of $0.67. The normal for the most part least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to by and large be $0.62, which sort of is very huge. Besides, Nexo can basically arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest value level of $0.85, which especially is genuinely critical. Nexo value conjecture February 2024. The Nexo gauge for February 2024 expects that the Nexo may fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.23 with a very least cost of around $1.18, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the sort of typical value Nexo can in a real sense stretch around $1.24. February in an exceptionally huge manner. Nexo value gauge Walk 2024. The Nexo estimate for Walk 2024 expects that the Nexo may in every practical sense arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.29 with an all things considered least cost of around $1.20, which certainly is genuinely critical. Discussing the by and large normal value Nexo can stretch around 1.24 for spring in a significant manner. Nexo value expectation April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Nexo cost especially is conjecture to by and large arrive at a practically the least cost of $0.23, or so they thought. The Nexo cost could sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $1.34 with a for the most part normal expected cost around $1.28, which by and large is very critical. Nexo value expectation May 2024. The cost of Nexo especially is anticipated to really reach at a sort of least worth of $0.27 in May 2024 in an in every practical sense significant way. The Nexo cost could explicitly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $1.39 with a kind of typical exchanging worth of $1.33 all through 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Nexo is gauged to really be at around a for the most part least worth of $1.31 incredibly. The Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at a very limit of $1.44 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $1.37 in USD, which sort of is very huge. Nexo value estimate July 2024. The normal cost of Nexo could in every practical sense go to 1.41 toward the finish of July 2024 in a by and large significant manner. Nexo could generally be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $1.51 with the truly least expected cost of $0.37, which is very huge. Nexo value estimate August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Nexo truly is supposed to sort of arrive at an especially least value worth of $142. The Nexo cost could especially arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $157 with the exceptionally normal cost around $147, which in every practical sense is very huge. Nexo value expectation September 2024. The cost for Nexo in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $146 and $164. Further appearance how Nexo value conjecture walk 2024. The Nexo estimate for walk 2024 expects that the Nexo may arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $1.19 with an in every practical sense, least cost of around $1.20 in an especially significant manner. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $151 in a by and large enormous manner. Nexo value gauge October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Nexo fundamentally is supposed to basically arrive at a by and large least value worth of $152, showing that Nexo value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Nexo for the most part is determined to be at around an essentially least worth of $131. The Nexo cost could by and large arrive at a most extreme cost of $172 with the exceptionally normal cost around $157, or so they especially thought. Nexo value expectation November 2024. The cost of Nexo explicitly is anticipated to generally reach at a kind of least worth of $156 in November 2024 in a significant way. The Nexo cost could truly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $0.78 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.62 all through 2024, which essentially is very critical. Nexo value figure December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Nexo essentially is fundamentally anticipated to sort of arrive at a typical cost of $0.67, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $0.85 and at least $1.62, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo extremely past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost especially has shown a very decent increment of 272% in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, showing the way that the Nexo cost could generally arrive at a greatest cost of $0.72 with the really normal cost around $157, which all things considered is genuinely critical. From very most recent 7 days, the Nexo fundamentally was in every practical sense, great vertical pattern and expanded by 10.04% in a kind of huge manner. Nexo most certainly has shown areas of strength for really of late, and this could be genuinely great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Nexo value figure 2024 facts what will basically be Nexo genuinely worth in 2024. The Nexo cost for the most part is determined to sort of arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest degree of $0.85 with all things considered, least cost of $1.